Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll discuss the ultimatum that seems to be ticking off on XRP and why you need to buy and hold, while also considering some XRP price predictions for 2021. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more exciting videos like this one. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in the world today, and there is still so much left to see as no crypto is exactly perfect. The crypto industry has not been without its fair share of controversies with fraud, hacks, and government regulations that seem to be threatening every hopeful investor. Less fortunate people in society have in times past longed for ways to generate more money aside from what the meager wages they earn from taking on 3 to 4 jobs daily. Everyone imagines after gathering a huge sum of savings from working so hard and then having to think of how to multiply the saved amount of money in investment. There are so many investment options out there, but cryptocurrency offers the best investment option with a higher return on investment. Though risky, it is a more profitable means of multiplying your income. When XRP came into the limelight, it came out with a great opportunity to overhaul the regular problems attached to other cryptos, with respect to regulatory concerns about their practical application as a medium of exchange. The fact that XRP and all cryptocurrencies are decentralized is something that most people don't understand. Naturally, people are averse to risk, and thus people tend to look for something concrete to hold on to. They tend to face the highest form of risk when they seek a shorter alternative that would earn them some quick cash. What buying on a short trade means for investors is that they buy a large amount of the coin at its current percentage price and sell when it rises even so slightly. For instance, an investor buys 1 million XRP at 50 cents. That means an investment of $500,000. He or she now waits for the price to rise ever so slightly, let's say by 10 cents to hit 60 cents, and their total investment now becomes $600,000 with a gain of $100,000. They can choose to short sell and be content with just earning $100,000 over that huge holding of the crypto. A short sell can range from a few minutes after the buy to a day or mere months, but usually not more than that. It's really about intention. It's also relative, which means it's dependent on the standpoint of other people too. If after holding a coin for up to a year you decide to sell it, and then you meet someone who decides to actually hold on for more than 4 years, that may be referred to as long-term investment compared to yours. The major difference between a short-selling investor and a true long-term investor is the extent of trust that is shown towards the coin's price potential. For instance, let's imagine another investor buying the same amount of 1 million XRP at 50 cents. Now they decide to wait for at least 2 or 4 years, representing the extent of the long-term investment through the twists, turns, scary regulations, and volatility of the coin, and yet never wavering. Down the years, let's imagine the coin now rises to a $5 valuation per coin. Ultimately, the value of their $500,000 investment is now about $5 million. Selling just 10% of it earns him what the short-selling investor earns. His total return on investment hinges on $4.5 million. If anyone ever expects to make any meaning out of their investment in XRP, the buy and hold option is available. This doesn't just happen out of the blue. Every investor has to have the idea of holding as many amounts of a crypto as possible. Buying into dips and corrections in price trend, and restraining from joining the onslaught of a massive sellout every time the coin rises just a bit. It's like short selling the future. Instant gratification is not really a pleasant idea for someone looking to secure a long-term financial breakthrough in any case. The clock is well and truly ticking for XRP's price right now. We think that it's just a short period of time for the coin to make another major breakthrough. The potential lawsuit hearing to be held on the 17th of this month is going to be the first huge step in the right direction for the coin, with Ripple set to fight tooth and nail with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to redeem the cause of the company and also secure the interests of investors in XRP. It's sure going to be an exciting ride for the coin as the case proceeds and news continues to filter out into the market. A lot of reactions will be seen on the market trends and speculations of analysts and prediction sites. People are getting more confident of a positive endgame for XRP in the lawsuit, and a sudden surge is not written off for the coin. The potential win could send the price of the coin completely above the $1 mark, bringing it at least halfway towards hitting its all-time high of $3.84. The surge might even be much more, with some optimistic analysis placing the price of the coin at $5 following the lawsuit. This chart offers a major upscale on all XRP predictions that have graced our screens this month. While it seems comical, we can't help but consider what if it could actually be so. It graphically constitutes the price trend from 2017 till date and beyond. The current price trend lies just above the 0.236 fib retracement, with levels at 0.38, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.786 set as potential target resistances that XRP could possibly break through as it surges. Several price targets were indicated in the orange dialog boxes, with the first target set at $5.75, while the second and third price targets are at $16 and $300 respectively. It seems unimaginably pleasant, but it could happen anytime soon. Nothing is set in stone, really. This chart is a previous one predicting the price of XRP breaking through a resistance at 65 cents. It documents the price's break above the support and resistance structure to hit 52 cents. It was expected to continue to hold above the structure and then to move higher towards the next resistance structure. The triangular yellow buy area beneath the support established at 49 cents still remains. Now it was set on a bullish setup above the new support for a probable leap towards a new target resistance set at 65 cents. If it breaks through the resistance, it's expected to reach 70 cents and above before attempting a correction at around 65 cents, forming a new support as well as a new resistance a few cents higher. The coin has surprisingly leapt to a height so close to the resistance, and it's almost touching it to be exact, as the price closed at 61 cents. This chart shows the trend fulfilling its projected price at the 59 cents price mark. This Fib retrace could either provide resistance, causing us to drop back into the low 30s, although 26 to 27 cents seems unlikely now with this 0.618 Fib retrace, or if we continue grinding upwards, we could break through the 66 cents level. That would be a bullish indicator that we're ready to break 79 cents, November's high, and 86 cents would be the next big resistance level. It's going to be an exciting run for XRP this February. XRP has been in a support zone. From here, XRP has been slowly gaining and is about to surpass the previous highs it posted earlier this month. Right now, XRP has 57.2 cents as support going towards 63 cents. However, 63 cents has already been touched once at the start of the month, as well as 67 cents and 69 cents. So the real next level of resistance is 80 cents. This chart places XRP predictions to break all-time high at around 22nd February. It's following a fractal, and it's going well so far. The expectation is that it will rise higher before the lawsuit, and while the results come out, the biggest pump starts. And after a while starts a brief correction before surging and consolidating. According to CoinGate.com, the upswing to 75 cents will start to materialize as soon as XRP closes the day above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, taken between the last swing high of 75 cents to a swing low of 34 cents. This is the immediate hurdle that needs to come out of the way for XRP to flip massively bullish. Another prediction shows that at this rate, the value of XRP could rise to 82 cents by the very end of February, consolidating at 80 cents in 2021 and achieving a mean price of $2.32 by the end of 2021. That's a modest but steady increase, but what's more is that it could be much higher. Ripple's XRP is not just a cryptocurrency. It is a modern fintech solution. If more companies start to widely use Ripple's XRP, it will help them lower their costs and better their businesses. This is expected to lead to a higher rate of adoption, and the coin benefits from it as price surges remarkably. The price of XRP is expected to grow across the quarters of 2021 into 2022. You can also join other investors who are currently stacking up large amounts of XRP in their wallets, pending a major increase in the price towards an all-time high. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Do you think this could be the best time to invest in Ripple XRP? Let us know what you think in the comments below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. See you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.